Hello everyone. Today we're just going to take a quick look at what the tan function looks like when you graph it. So I've outlined for you here the sine function and the cosine function. You guys know those pretty well. I've been working with them for a while now. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the fact that tangent equals sine over cosine. Okay, I've been working with that a lot as well. So if I want to do the tangent of 0, then I'm going to look at the sine of 0 and I'm going to look at the cosine of 0. Sine of 0 is right here. So the sine of 0 is 0. The cosine of 0 is 1. So for tangent, that's going to be 0 over 1, which is 0. Okay, so the tangent of 0 is 0. So I'm going to plot this point right here. I'm going to plot a 0 at 0. Okay, what about the tangent of pi over 2? Well, the sine of pi over 2 is 1, and the cosine of pi over 2 is 0. So tangent is going to be 1 over 0. Now, you know that you're never allowed to divide by 0, so we're going to call that undefined. So on the tangent graph, at pi over 2, so label this with pi over 2 here, I'm going to draw in a vertical asymptote, just like that. Okay? So now that's going to happen on the other side because this tangent curve is symmetrical. So I'm also going to put a vertical asymptote at negative pi over 2. Okay? If I continue this way, the tangent of pi is also 0. So if I put pi right here, I can mark 0, and if I put negative pi here, I can also mark 0. The other two important points to know are that the tangent of pi over 4, if I call that pi over 4, the tangent of pi over 4 is 1, and you know that from looking at your special right triangle, and the tangent of negative pi over 4 is negative 1. Again, you know that from looking at your special right triangle. So the tangent kind of creates this curve here. So there are your three important graphs: sine, cosine, and tangent.